Hello lovelies. So it's necessary I dampen my hair a little bit, and that's why I have this spray bottle here. Oh no, what was I thinking? Anyways, so there's a need to make my hair a little bit wet so the whole process can be easy peasy. You guys already know by now that this is my go-to hair oil, ARGAN oil. It is so good. Like, it's lightweight, it softens the hair and everything. It enriches the hair, gives the hair all its nutrients and blah blah blah. So I'm massaging it properly into my scalp, you know, trying to feed my hair basically. And next I went in with Hawaiian Silk 14-in-1 Miracle Worker. Well, if I'm going to be honest with you guys, I can't really say this is what this product does to my hair, but hey, I have it and it's written Miracle Worker on the hair, so I might as well just use it and hope for a miracle. So I'm basically just feeding my hair the nutrients, and yes, my always go to hair gel, the PETALS styling hair gel. Now this is what is going to ensure the hair locks properly and also make the lock last for like a week if you want to have the hair on for like a week. So I'm just applying a generous amount of the hair gel all over my hair, and like I always say, one thing I really love about this hair gel is the fact that it has a bit of dye in it, and it colors my hair to the extent I would love my hair to be colored without me having to dye my hair. So now here's the most important piece of this hairstyle. You'd need a piece of foam like this size. Now you could either buy this at the market or you just cut off any foam lying around that you know you're not going to use. So what you need to do is pinch holes the way I'm pinching holes in the foam here. You'd need these holes to be around the piece of foam like I have presently here. This is a sample of what I'm talking about. And then at this point you start to use it to twist your hair. Now you could go just one direction or you could go two different directions. The thing about the direction movement is that when your hair is still like the way my hair was at the beginning of this video, you notice my hair was really combed out. So twisting it both directions kind of prepares the hair to be locked and makes it faster, you get. Now when you notice your hair is beginning to form shape, you would then start moving excuse me. so when you notice your hair has started forming shape, you then start moving one direction only. And by forming shape, I mean, if you look now, my hair is looking really different from how it was at the beginning of this video. That it's been in so many sections. You can notice like cut out a lot on my hair. So that's the shape I'm talking of. So at that point, they're like your hair's already started forming strands. Yes, I think that's the right word that I'm looking for. Your hair started forming strands. So you then start to move either to your left only or to your right only, because now that we've gotten the hair into sections, into like many sections, it's the next step is to lock the hair. That's by using the foam to twist it. So if you move to your right and then move again to your left at this point, you're going to unlock what you've locked, you get. So basically at this point you just maintain one direction, either to your left, moving your hand to your left, or moving your hand to your right, and just keep locking with the foam till you are happy with what you're seeing. Now this lock, you could either, you know, make the lock look very pronounced or make it not so much pronounced, you get. Here I am making my own look really pronounced. Now here I'm working on the baby hairs. Now this is going to be subjective. Like if you want to go all out to the baby hairs, you could use a brush and all that, you know, really form your baby hairs. But me, I don't really want so much baby hairs, so I'm just playing around with the foam, using the foam to just smoothen the edges and you know basically just smoothing the edges. Exactly. Now this baby hair thing is going to be as desired, you style as desired. So here I am drying my edges so that I can go back in with the powder brush and touch up my forehead area. Usually I wouldn't take something to, you know, blur out my edges like this. I would just, by the time I'm done with one or two stuffs, the front area would have dried, and then I would go in with my powder brush and blend out the gel marks. But for the purpose of this video, I needed to dry. Now here we are with the final look, guys. This is it. And of course with my hoop earrings. Like, the bigger the hoop, the bigger the according to Chloe. Yes guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys really like it. It's a really simple way of temporarily locking your hair, and this has been my go-to style for a really long while now. Really long while. Please give this video a thumbs up. And here I am after I got back from work. You can see the hair is still looking locked, and I obviously can have this the whole of the week if I want to. So guys, till next time, stay blessed, stay out of trouble. Thank you for watching to the end. I love you all. Bye bye.